Nitish Kumar was a cabinet minister in the BJP-led government when Godhra happened. He was the railway minister. He kept quiet throughout that period, and now suddenly he has become a very secular man. Okay, now that's a different debate. The point is that I want to know from Nitish Kumar, does he has a definition of uniform civil code or a common civil code? And the third point is that, yes, India is such a diverse country with a lot of pluralism. And this country has no religion. This country celebrates religion, cultures and everything. So uniform civil code cannot be implemented in India. The reason being that, every people have an allegiance to their culture and their religion. And lastly, this is nothing but a device to make India Hindu Rashtra. We already have Special Marriage Act. We already have different things. So anyone or Indian Succession Act is there. So all these are there, and please understand that why is BJP harping on only Article 44 and 48? What about other directive principles of Constitution? Things like imposing a complete ban or prohibition of alcohol. So these are not concerns of BJP. BJP is more concerned about how to polarize by using this, and it will not be acceptable to anyone in India. And if you talk about uniformity, why is it that the tax rebates are extended to only Hindus under Hindu Undivided Family Act? Why not to other communities? This is a blatant violation of the Constitution. So I don't feel that uniform civil code will be acceptable or implementable in India.